This is our fancy apartment in Gran Canaria. This is the living room. There's the swimming pool. There's the neighbor's swimming pool. And that's our view.
Guess where we are? Just a Thai restaurant. Oh, monkey tofu.
This is where we are having dinner tonight. Dinner pad thai with beef.
Mango sticky rice. Oh, sleeping together. There is one night watch.
There's an island in my mind to visit when I'm low, where there's peace from all the pain the world's come to know, where I lay on sandy beaches, thoughts like water flow, and the sun touching the horizon, there's an afterglow. This island in my mind protects me from sorrow. Its gods are up and waiting out another.
Hi everybody, this week we are on the Spanish Canary Islands on Gran Canaria. Today we are hiking up Roque Nublo at 1700 meters, one of the highest peaks on the island. It's quite a hike, so make sure you get your exercise.
Beyond the blood red sky, people lay sick and sore. Paradise lost within reach of my sheltered shores. On a killing.
So we made it to the end of the Roque Nublo hike. It's a little bit steep, so I would definitely recommend to exercise a little bit, or at least be of moderate fitness before you start the hike. And definitely bring some water as you go as well.
And I wonder if my island needs God anyway. Trying to be blissfully unaware of its lies. It ain't real unless I see it with my own two eyes. Still I pray for all those hurting in their own confines. Feeling privileged yet powerless on the safe side. Staring at the stars that find us in the black night sky. Wishing for a new reality where we're less blind. No more reasons.
This is our lunch. There you go. How is it? Ooh.
Difficult eat, pretty good.
No more lying presidents, no false prophets, no more Gaza in distress. So much fighting about religion, treachery, what makes us human. On this island in my mind, guess I'm a bit naive. Generalizing all this pain and dead in my daydreams. Yeah, yeah.
After 8. Hopen dat ze niet de helft over de shirt heen gooit. En dan nee, dat zie je niks meer. Ja, op de cooking cream of zo.
Days like this, the wind in your hair. All I need is here. See your smile when you look at me. I know everything is fine. Keep breathing. Oh, daydreaming. Oh, it's just one life. Let's dance around, come closer. Driving down the west coast, we're living every second. I know we can get where we want. The sunset comes.
We're now at what is arguably the tourist attraction of Gran Canaria, the Maspalomas Sand Dunes. Free to enter and a great place to come around sunset to take some pictures.
Like this, driving down the west the sun. Your smile keep me on the road, 'cause sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast, driving down the west coast.
We are now in Terror, in the mountains, on a bit of a rainy day, but still with a very nice temperature.
Can you hear? This is the melody that I made for you. Hold my hand, let's go around the world, asleep under the stars. Keep breathing, oh, daydreaming. Oh, it's just one life. Let's dance around, come closer. Driving down the west coast, we are living every second. I know we can get where we want. The sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast, breathing, feeling the heat of the sun. Your smile keep me on the road.